practice problem number 8. First one, we have a series of numbers adding together. There are multiple ways that we can solve this problem. We can, since you have 90 all the way to 99, we can count how many numbers are there from 0 to 9. So there are 10 numbers. So every single one has a 90. So you have 90 multiplied 10 plus the 90. The first one would left with 0, and the second one would left with 1. The third one would be left with 2, adding all the way up to this remainder of 9. So you have 900 plus 1 all the way to 9. So this is one way to solve it. Or another way to solve this is if you have a very long sequence, 90 all the way to 99, you reverse the sequence. You have 99 over 90. So you can see that now you have two sequences, and you pair them up. They always give you addition the same number. So this is 189. So you have 189 pairs of addition, right? And there are 10 numbers. But you add another sequence to the original sequence so that the addition now is twice as big as the original number. So this whole number divided by 2 would also give you the same answer. So simplify this. We'll leave for the students to solve this. So for example, like this problem, division, you change that to multiplication of the reciprocal of this number to simplify.